Hi, today we are going to complete the Document AI Challenge Lab. So let's start. Activate Cloud Shell. Okay. Task number 1, enable the Document AI API. Okay. So in the Cloud Shell, type gcloud services enable document AI dot googleapis.com. Okay. Okay, that's done. So here is the command to enable the Document AI API. You can use this command, gcloud services enable documentai.googleapis.com. Okay. Now let's move to task number 2. So in the task number 2, we have to create a preprocessor. Okay. We have to create a custom document extractor processor, and we have to use the name that is provided here. Okay. So go to Document AI. Over here, you can see create custom processor. Click it. And here you can see custom document extractor. Okay. Click create processor. Paste the name here. Choose a region that is closest and click create. All right. Now let's go and check the progress. Okay. Now we have to create a cloud storage bucket for the dataset. Okay. So here is the name. Just copy it. In the Cloud Shell, type gcloud storage buckets create and the name. Okay. Okay. Storage bucket is created. Next, we have to configure this bucket as a dataset for your preprocessor. Okay. So over here, you can see in the details page, here is the dataset section. Over here, you can see configure your dataset. Click it. Show advanced option. Over here, you can see I will specify my own storage location. Choose that. And here is it. You can paste the bucket name here. And in our case, we can copy the bucket name from here and paste it. Okay. Click continue. And wait. Okay. So let's move to task number 4. Okay. So before that, we can check the progress, and that's it. We have created a cloud storage bucket and configured that bucket as a data set for our processor. Okay. Let's move to task number 4. Here we have to import a document into a data set. Okay. So here is some hints, and here is the location where a sample data set is stored. Okay. So copy that. Now we have to set the data split as unassigned and auto labeling as unchecked. Okay. So click import document. Over here, you have to paste the path of the document. So we don't need the GS. So just copy the rest over here. Now for data split, choose unassigned and leave auto labeling unchecked. Okay. Now click import. Okay. So our sample document is here. So we can check the progress. All right. Now we can move to task number 5. Here we have to create a schema. Okay. So here is the information. So copy the applicant line 1 from here. The data type is plain text and occurrence is required once. Okay. So here you can see in this section called filter, here's a plus icon, right? Just click it. And here you can paste the name and data type is plain text. And for occurrence, required once, right? Yeah, required once. Data type is plain text. So that's it. Click create. Now, in a similar way, create the rest. Okay. So copy. Data type is number. Required once. Next, we have class international. Data type plain text. Occurrence is required once. Data type again, it's plain text. Filing date, the data type is date time. Patent number, data type is number, and occurrence required once. Click create. Publication date, date time required once. Title line 1, plain text required once. Okay. So you can see all the labels here. Okay. Now we have to label a document, okay? The process of selecting text in a document and applying labels is known as annotation. And we have these tools here like select text and bounding box to annotate the document, okay? So we have to annotate the document and these are the labels and these are the values, okay? So let's do that. Click this document. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to choose the bounding box. So here is the name. So Colby Green, that is labeled as applicant line 1, okay? So here is the name. Applicant line 1. Wait a second. Okay. Next, application number, okay? All right. Now we have class international. Okay. Now class US, okay? Okay. Now filing date. Okay. Now inventor line 1, the name. Okay. Issuer equal US. Patent number equal 10,136,408. Okay. Here is it. Okay. Now publication date. Okay. Now title line 1. Okay, that's it. Click mark as labeled. Okay, we can check the progress. All right. Now, task number 7. Assign an annotated document to the training set. Okay. So here we have annotated this document. We can assign it to the training set. So just click it. Then over here, you can see assign to a set. Choose training. Okay. Over here, you can see number 1 in the training, right? So this document is assigned to the training set. All right, we can check the progress. Nice. Now, task number 8, import pre-labeled data to the training and test set. Okay, so for data split, use auto split and leave the auto labeling unchecked. Okay, so copy the source over here. Here we can see import document, right? In the train tab over here, you can see import document. Click it and paste the source path here. For data split, choose auto split. That's it. Click import. Okay. So import is finished. Now we can check the progress. All right. Now task number 9. Here we have to train the processor. Okay. So here is the name. Just copy it. And over here in the training section, you can see train a new version, right? Just click it. Give it a name. Okay. Just copy this name and paste it here and click start training. That's all. Okay. You can see the training has started. It will take up to an hour. So let's go back and check the progress. Brilliant. We have completed all the tasks in this lab and that's it. So we are done here. See you next time. Bye.